Kaya nakaisnis mo.
Nagkaman na! This is why you don't climb on the freaking counters. Augustus, calm down. So crazy.
You gotta trim up a little bit.
What have you done, lady?